It was those years when I had the energy to host the 5-day crusade alone, preaching morning, evening. I went to one of the villages in Limpopo, and they were fellowshipping in the classroom. But during my crusade, the classroom was so packed, but the atmosphere, the outside, it was so dull. You could see that people only found solace in the church. They could not wait to come to church because there is nothing they're doing at home. At home it's so quiet. Nothing is happening. So they decide to come to church. Then I decided to test them. I said, let's come 4 o'clock, all of us in the morning, and come and bow on our knees. And 4 o'clock I came, the church was full. Everybody was crying before the Lord. When they gave offering, you could hardly count 50 rand in the offering basket, because you could actually hear the sound of coins. It's because they don't have. You can see that they are giving what they had. So it's not what they give, it's how they give. I'm addressing the how part. It's how part. You get it? How part? They gave what they had. Then I realized that God, when God said give, it never said what. He said give. So what you have. So that's when I addressed. That's when they hit me. It hit me a low blow. There were items down. They did not have money, but they could do something with their hands, and they came and threw it down. God is not interested in your status. God is not interested in where you come from, which town, which place. God just wants you humble. And Moses said, I will now turn aside something that he was not supposed to do. He wasn't allowed to turn aside. He was focusing on what he's doing, but the